We are day 21 of the Ryan Homes build. It's like they started on the roof today, getting close. They're done working for today, so we can get a little closer than the last couple of videos. See how this is looking. See inside a bit, going through the garage here. This can be Sarah's craft room. Still a lot of wood there, hard to really see in too close. This is the front door here. See inside a bit. Staircase is around the corner, so we can't really see if they have that going yet, but it looks like they have that started. So there's the framing work, getting close to framing being complete.